See, Geeta Rao will remain very, very close to my heart because it was my first film and I really had no clue what I was doing. So I think that was the most natural me possible. So for me, that is very special in that sense. So that's closest to my heart. But I think if you said something that is more stylish, I would say this film. I think Inkar is a very stylish film. It has a, not just stylish in the sense of clothing or the look. I think the way it's shot, the way the story is being told, you know, everything about it has a certain kind of style. It would be very different from the other two films that I've done. And yeah, have I answered your question? I don't know. I think for me, a style icon is somebody not just who's wearing brands, but somebody who has a style of her own or his own, you know, which is very distinct and it doesn't change with the fashion fads, which keep changing every season. For me, I think Rekha ji is somebody who's got a very distinct style of her own, very Indian, but very independent, you know, in a way. I think Masaba, you know, the kind of clothes that she's doing now, I think they're very distinct. I think Sabya, I think I'd call people like them style icons. Yeah.
To tell a story about two very beautiful, charismatic people. And so therefore, style sort of follows from there and automatically walks in because these people have a certain charisma, have a certain style, have a certain attitude. They're not loud, they're not ostentatious, but they're... But sometimes you get lucky, you know, I mean, when you know, write a script and two faces jumped out at you and those two faces were Arjun and Chitrangada, you went to them, they said yes. Because, you know, I wanted to make a film, I mean, like, the film tackles certain strong issues, but, you know, if you look at Arjun Rampal, you don't think he wants to harass somebody, do you? So, I mean, I wanted to, I'm making a film with 2 points of views, you know. The whole film, it's going to swing between 2 points of view. So you don't know who's right, who's wrong. It's a volatile atmosphere, the urban workspace, where women are now claiming their rightful place. Men have to adjust to a lot of things. Men have to adjust to a loss of power. It's not easy for men. Women also are subject to pressures of the modern urban, you know, workspace. And there's a volatile cocktail that exists there. And I want to make a film about that, and these were the two ideal people, I think.
हमेशा आप एक्साइटेड ही होते हो, उम्मीद है कि फिल्म लोगों को पसंद आएगी। एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाने की कोशिश की है 2 नज़रियों से। एक इशू है, एक फिल्म ऐसी है जिसमें आप किस तरफ हो, हैरेसमेंट है या फिर कुछ और है। अर्जुन रामपाल का कैरेक्टर कुछ और कह रहा है, चित्रांगदा का कैरेक्टर कुछ और कह रहा है। सच क्या है? क्या अर्जुन रामपाल के कैरेक्टर ने चित्रांगदा कैरेक्टर को एक्चुअली हैरेस किया है या नहीं?
करिस्मेटिक कैरेक्टर है, डायनामिक कैरेक्टर है, बहुत एम्बिशियस है, बट एट द सेम टाइम कहीं ना कहीं मुझे कुछ ह्यूमन वीकनेसेस होती हैं, फीलिंग्स होती हैं, जैसे कि यू नो फीलिंग्स आर दिस फॉर मी। आई मीन आई